The Clarke CON850B and CON850BSITE are high-quality, powerful, versatile and robust reciprocating saws offered at a fantastic price. Designed for trade use, the CON850B has a powerful 850-watt 230-volt motor, and the CON850BSITE has a 110-volt motor, as often required for site use. These versatile multi-purpose saws are perfect for cutting wood, board, metal and plastic pipes, plumbing and more. Blade changing can be a chore with reciprocating saws, but not with the CON850B. Blades can be changed in seconds with the convenient quick-release toolless blade change feature. The saws are supplied with 3 wood-cutting blades and 3 metal-cutting blades. The CON850B features variable speed from 0 to 2,800 strokes per minute, and the stroke length is 28 mm. The slower speeds are perfect for when cutting delicate materials, such as plastic. These saws feature 5 adjustable shoe stops. This is useful not only for depth control, but also to help to ensure even blade wear. And the ergonomic soft grip handle can rotate up to 180 degrees to assist getting into awkward corners. The 850B is designed to cut through wood up to 210 mm in thickness, making these saws ideal for removing old window frames, for instance. Featuring a convenient LED lamp at the front of the body, they can also cut through up to 20 mm aluminium stock and up to 10 mm mild steel. Weighing in at just 3.3 kilos, this is a tool that you'll wonder how you ever did without.